Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and add the Google account on your watch. So basically, if you want to use Google services on your watch, you will need to add the account, and if you don't care about that anymore, you can always remove it, and I'm going to show you both things. So let's get started. And to add the Google account, you will need to open the settings. So swipe up on the home screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you will need to find the Google option. And once you find it, select it. And here tap on accounts. And if you don't have any account added yet, you will see this pop up. And basically on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will be continuing. So you need to tap on this icon right here. A page will open on your phone that is paired with your watch. And here you can choose the account you want to sign into your watch. I'm gonna tap on choose another account, select this one, and then confirm. But you can choose whatever account you want. And once you confirm, it will start signing in. And after it's done, the page will disappear. And if you go to your watch accounts, you will see the account appeared right here at the top of the page, which means that the account is signed in. And now you can use all of the Google services on your watch, like Gemini, Gmail, Play Store, and stuff like that. And if you want to remove the account, you need to open this accounts menu, go find the account you want to remove, tap on it, and then tap on remove account, tap on the check mark, and the account will be removed. And now you won't be able to use the services, but maybe you just don't want to have it anymore on your watch. Okay, and that's how you add and remove a Google account on your watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.